Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for a reliable treadmill to kickstart your 2025 fitness goals, Nautilus is a brand that stands out for its durability, innovative features, and user-friendly designs. Today, we're breaking down our top picks for the best Nautilus treadmills of 2025, so you can make an informed decision without the hassle. First up is the Nautilus T618. This budget-friendly option is perfect for beginners or home gyms on a tight budget. It boasts a powerful 2.75 chp motor, speeds up to 12 miles per hour, and an incline up to 15%. What I love about it is the easy-to-read LCD display that tracks your calories, distance, and heart rate. At around $800, it's a steal, but keep in mind it might not handle intense, daily workouts as well as pricier models. Next, the Nautilus T716 steps things up for intermediate users. With a robust 3.0 chp motor, it offers speeds from 0 to 12 miles per hour and an impressive 15% incline. It includes Bluetooth connectivity for syncing with fitness apps, and the cushioned deck reduces joint impact, great for long runs. Priced at about $1,200, it's packed with features like built-in speakers and a tablet holder, making your workouts more enjoyable. One downside? It's a bit bulkier, so ensure you have the space. For serious fitness enthusiasts, the Nautilus T916 is our premium pick. This beast features a 4.0 chp motor, top speeds of 15 miles per hour, and a 20% incline for challenging hill simulations. It integrates with smart home tech, offers customizable workout programs, and has a vibrant touchscreen for real-time stats. At around $1,800, it's an investment, but users rave about its sturdiness and warranty. The only con is its higher price tag, which might not suit everyone. When choosing a Nautilus treadmill, consider your fitness level, space, and budget. All these models come with solid warranties and are easy to assemble. If you're ready to elevate your home workouts, check the links in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fitness tips. See you in the next video.